My name's Adam Hoare. I'm Managing Director of Red Embedded Systems Limited, and we provide the vConnect service. The challenge of developing a project that's truly person-centred comes back to the problems of research questions once again. Very often research questions, and this has been true around the use of technology, are posed in terms of a typical person or a homogeneous population. In other words, everybody is the same, and therefore you can scope one intervention that you then measure an outcome from, and you're looking for the same outcome for everybody. And if you take a person-centred view and recognise that everybody that we dealt with in the project, all 164 people that we had an impact on, people with learning disabilities, had different networks of connections in terms of family, carers, friends. They had different capabilities. They had different social lives, different needs. They have personalised care plans. And the idea that you can develop a research question for this heterogeneous group of people and then measure one outcome and say that you've achieved something is naive. The only way that you can approach this kind of situation is to say, we will look at each person as an individual and look at their social impacts, we'll look at their healthcare impacts, and look at how a personalised technology intervention supports a new model of care for them. Then look at their outcomes, see how they value those outcomes. Of course, what the challenge this raises is that you have a personalised care package which generates personalised outcomes, and you've still got to generate meaningful evidence from those outcomes and characterise what the person has experienced in terms of their outcomes from the project. So we built this complex evidence base to allow us to do that. But in reality, if you're going to personalise care in the future for anybody, you're going to have to take this much more nuanced view of people's capabilities and their needs and generate a richer evidence base. And it really comes down to just having a more realistic view of evaluation.